Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best dog stairs that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Easy Step 2-Step Dog Stairs. These stairs are made from plastic, but they are durable since they can hold dogs weighing up to 150 pounds. Pet Gear Easy Step 2-Step Dog Stairs are 16 inches high overall for a 2-step version, but other models can provide additional height, up to 30 inches for this model with 4 steps. The 2-step model is also 22 inches long and 16 inches wide. The depth of these stairs is good. First step is 12.25 inches, the second step is 11.5 inches deep. The height of each step is 6 inches. Compared to foam pet stairs, which are the most common type of dog stairs for high beds, these ones are a bit heavier. The stairs were easy for us to put together and we didn't need any tools to assemble them. The plastic steps are covered with carpet tread, which is removable and machine washable. The stairs also came with rubber grippers on the bottom, which ensures that they stay in place at all times. We've ranked them as the first best dog stairs for high beds based on the ratio between the quality, features, and cost. We've also looked through other dog stairs reviews from pet owners, and while most of them found the product great as well, some complained about the weight limit and durability of the stairs, saying that they are not durable enough to sustain large dogs. This wasn't the case with our lab. Moving on, at number 4, we have the tall raised panel dog steps. If you want the best dog stairs for a high bed that look as classy as your finest piece of furniture, this product is the right way to go. No other set of pet stairs will beat this in terms of great home decor addition. Of course, the looks are not the only advantage since these pet stairs are also very sturdy and stable, but they're also the most expensive item among the rest of the best dog stairs for high beds. The sturdiness and weight of Premier Pet steps can be an advantage and a disadvantage because we had problems with maneuvering them and generally moving them around. They are clearly made from high-quality red oak and they came with stain-resistant carpeted steps. The particular model we're reviewing has 4 steps, each step 5.5 inches high. The steps are not really that wide, actually. Carpeted part of the steps is only around 11 inches wide, which can be a problem for large breeds. It was just about right for our lab. The same goes for the depth of each step since they are around 8 inches deep, except for the top one which is a bit deeper. The stairs have a total dimension of 27 by 15.5 by 23 inches. We'd say that these dog stairs for high beds are perfect for most medium or small dogs. And while they can sustain dogs that weigh up to 300 pounds, they are not the best fit for large breeds since the steps themselves are simply too narrow and not deep enough. Another drawback we've noticed is that they do not have non-slip bottoms. However, the stairs are pretty sturdy regardless of that, and they're heavy enough for small or medium dogs not to be able to move them. At number 3, we have the ZINUS Foam 22-inch 4-step pet stairs. The first thing we've noticed after unpacking these dog stairs for high bed is that they're made from high-density foam, which felt thick and sturdy enough to be as durable as other materials. The ZINUS Step Comfort pet stairs are available in 5 different sizes, ranging in height from 13 to 24 inches. The stairs also came with a removable and machine washable comfort cover that provides stability for our dog as she climbs the stairs. Like most of the other mentioned best dog stairs for high bed, these also require some assembly, although you won't need any tools to do it. The stairs are easy to move and lightweight, so they are a perfect choice if you are looking for a more portable option. They have a non-slip bottom and we found them pretty stable in that respect, considering the materials. Thanks to the thick foam, these steps are likely to be a good choice for dogs with joint issues. Now, the problems. First of all, the steps themselves are not very deep, which is a common issue among most of these products. There's around 8 inches for each step, so they may not be suitable for the large breeds. Another drawback of these pet stairs comes from the fact that there is no weight limit information available. While the XL size is advertised for large breeds, we can't really say how much weight these stairs can sustain for certain, though it seemed to hold our lab just fine. At number 2, we have the Majestic Pet Portable Pet Stairs. These stairs are made from soft Sherpa foam filling, which generally means they're a great choice for dogs with joint issues, arthritis, and senior dogs. The pet stairs can be bought in 2 sizes, one with 3 steps and the other with 4 steps. You can also choose the pattern and color that you like since there are over 30 different choices you can select from. The 4-step model of Majestic Pet Portable Pet Stairs has dimensions of 24 inches by 16 inches by 20 inches and that should be high enough for any type of bed or couch. Once again, these steps are also not very deep, just around 4.5 inches for each individual step, so these are not great for large breeds, and were too small for our lab too. And since they are filled with soft foam, they are not a good choice for heavy dogs either. On the other hand, you won't have to worry about avoiding these stairs at all times. Because of how soft these are, even if you or your dog hits them, nobody gets hurt, including the stairs. Our biggest problem with these 5th best dog stairs for high beds is that they don't include a non-slip bottom, which is common among foam pet stairs, so they were not very stable on hardwood floors or tiles. And one thing we liked is that they came with a machine washable removable cover that you can easily wash on a gentle cycle and tumble dry. And finally at number 1, we have the PetSafe CozyUp Folding Wood Pet Steps. If you are looking for durable pet stairs that will last you a long time but can't spend the $200 plus on the 2nd best dog stairs for a high bed we've ranked above, then PetSafe's Solve-It Pup Step Wooden Pet Stairs are your next option. They are made from strong wood that can support dogs that weigh up to 150 pounds and you can get these stairs in 3 different sizes, with 2, 3, or 4 steps. The height for these models ranges from 15 to 25 inches, so you should be able to find the perfect fit for your bed. Now, individual steps are not actually very deep, with only 6 inches being the depth of each step. While some bigger dogs may struggle with it, the steps are also very sturdy and stable enough to sustain large breeds nevertheless. The steps came all carpeted as well and our dog didn't have any issues with slipping on them. The stairs can be bought in dark brown wood finish and matching carpets on each step. And while this product doesn't have a non-slip bottom like the other wooden dog stairs option, it appeared to be sturdy enough to stay in place. That said, overzealous large dogs will likely be able to move them if the stairs are placed on hardwood floor or tiles. One last great thing we found about these steps is that they can be folded and stored easily under the bed, which is unusual for wooden pet stairs. We didn't test these long enough to see how they hold up, but looking through other dog stairs reviews of this brand, some pet owners report that they didn't find these stairs to be as sturdy as they expected after a while. There were also some reports of receiving a faulty product and some customers complained about the depth of the steps. Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.